Hey guys, welcome back to Matt and Junie, where I try to get Junie to do what I want it to do. So, I already used it to create myself a user controller and it created me a test as well, and I didn't even ask for that. But my original request was create a REST controller for editing user DTO. Use auto-wired user service for carrying out the methods add, create, update, delete, retrieve all, find by ID, find by any of the user DTO params, and a pageable endpoints. So it went through, did that, created these nice big old files that did all this stuff. And I'm sorry, that's the test. And this is the actual controller. So we can just look at them themselves. Now, one thing we'll probably want to do is move the API v1 at some point because I don't want it to be in the file itself so that we can change it in one place if need be. But you can see all the things that it does for you. Alright, so I wanted to just show you how easy it is to say, hey, I've got all these other objects. I want you to do the same for all those. So let's just see if it does it. And it is currently 8:30 on my clock. So right now, Junie's checking out all of the different things I've asked it to look at, the DTO, the service, and it's trying to figure out what needs to be created. So there we go. Now it's added an address controller. It's added an organization controller. It's added the SMS one. It's created the email message one, which is probably very similar to the other. And it looks like they put to-dos on all of them. What did that say? What did that say on that? Oh, there it goes. It put it in there as a organization service. I don't see it properly pulling in as auto wired. So my guess is that's not actually going to work, but it may. So let's throw it in here. Oh, it didn't create the test for these. It says there's no email message service. Oh, no, there isn't. I wonder what happened to it. All right. And for some reason, it didn't make the test for them. So let's ask it to do that. And that took about 5 minutes. So let's see if we can create tests for all of them. You can see here the user controller ran earlier and it did all those tests and they all returned green. I'm going to look at that. While that's churning, I'm going to look here and see if maybe I accidentally deleted something. Yeah, sure enough, there it is. Convert that guy. I don't know how that happened. I must have deleted it at some point. So maybe by the time it gets to that. So it does it little by little. Oh, there was the original one. So you can see what the benefit of having this do this for. You're building now all of these controllers. Let's see, we added 1, 2, 3, 4 controllers, and we're creating tests for them, test coverage for them as well. And I'm going to say it's going to take us about 10 minutes to do that versus this would probably be a day of work if you were doing it clunkety clunk 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 as you went throughout the day. So it's a huge time save for you for things that you're going to do a million times, and you can just ask Junie to do them for you. So it looks like I'm going to have to revisit email message controller, but that's okay. Alright, it wants to run the test for that. And it won't do it because that's missing. So hang on. Yeah, that's not good. That's not what we wanted. Go. Testing all these, and it's looking like it's pretty good. So that last command ran all of them back to back to back. All right. So our controllers now should be address controller, email message controller, organization controller, SMS controller, user controller. And they should all have test coverage. So we can see how nice that made that. So this video is 15 minutes right now. Took about 13 minutes to run through all that. So you see how much help that could be. I mean, this is more than a day's worth of work for a developer. Just going to create that. Now, of course, we didn't really go and verify everything that it did, but um, I mean, that could be 30 minutes of manual reading through the code to see what happened, what changes it made. Is it accurate? So trust but verify. Make sure it's actually doing what you want it to do. So again, this is just an opportunity to take advantage of what Junie can do for you during your development process. Thanks, guys, and come check us out again some other time.